guys. Hope all are safe and sound. Now, due to this COVID, what we have decided is to communicate with all our students using the more interactive format, which is the video-based mode. So today's agenda broadly is to address this key concern that the kids are facing, which is what paper next for non-members. We have been getting a lot of doubts with respect to this, and hence we have decided to make a video so that it becomes self-explanatory. Now, I'll start from the basics that if you were a non-member this attempt, you could not give either the CM1 or the CS1 because obviously of COVID. This you could not give. So then the next question comes is, when I plan for September, what should be the paper that I give? So broadly, I would divide my response into two parts. The first part is where, let's say, if you are not confident on your CM1 or CS1 that you gave. If this is the case, guys, then the answer to your question is very simple, which is that focus on this, get more confident and appear more better as a non-member itself on September whenever the exams are there. If this is not the case, in other words, you are confident on your preparations, then guys, you have two options. The two options that you have is to either give CB1 or CB2, or give the other paper, which is basically either CM1 or CS1. So basically, if you have given CM1 as a non-member, now give CS1, or if you have given CS1 as a non-member, now give CM2. Now, ideally, I would prefer CB1 or CB2 as a choice because these are relatively easy. You can take a choice as to which one do you want to appear, but these are relatively easy. And you will be able to manage up with CM1 or CS1 that you have given. In case you want to go for this option, this is a more tougher option and can be approached upon only if you are very confident with CM1, and second, you feel that you have a lot of time available. I appreciate some students might have time available because of the lockdown and the current scenario that we are in. So in case you have a lot of time and you feel you can manage, then only go ahead for this. This will be a tough option, should not be taken, otherwise it'll take a good toll on your practice. Having said that, any of these options that are available here are only possible if you become a member. So what I suggest, guys, is everyone who are planning for this, the confident piece, please become a member because only then you will be eligible. The last date for membership is 4th May. So ensure that you take up the membership and then you can appear for CB1, CB2 or CM1 and CM2. Our advice would be more towards CB1, CB2 because it's relatively simpler. Thanks, guys. I hope I've answered your question. What we will be coming up with is more and more questions, more and more answers to your questions that you have been posing. In case you have further questions relating to this topic and you have not answered them, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you and stay safe. Cheers, guys.